Making inferences. Read the paragraph, answer the questions. Long ago, there were no clocks or watches. People had to figure out ways to mark the passing of time. In about 870 A.D., King Alfred of England invented a candle clock. He used candles that were 12 inches long and marked them off in equal sections. To keep air drafts from affecting how the candle burned, he created a lantern to fit over the candle. People could then measure time by noting how long a section of the candle took to burn. The problem with the candle clocks? They kept burning up. Fill in the correct circle to show whether each statement is a fact or an inference. King Alfred of England invented the candle clock. Is that a fact or an inference? Does it specifically say it in the text or no? People had to keep replacing the candles. Is that a fact or an inference? Does it say it in the text or no? The candle clock had a lantern over it. Is that a fact or an inference? Rooms in 870 A.D. were probably drafty. Is that a fact or an inference? Section 2. Write yes or no under each heading on the chart to show if the word describes the candle clock. Clever, permanent, accurate. So write yes or no to describe if these words describe the candle clock. Clever, permanent, accurate.